My name is Richard Broadbridge. I'm the CEO of 4DViews. We're a volumetric capture company located in Grenoble, France. We feel that volumetric capture is going to really bring about part of the metaverse revolution. It enables us to capture humans and bring their performances realistically into digital worlds. And so we've tried to present to the participants here all three phases of a typical volumetric capture workflow where we capture people, construct and build the story and then deliver it to the final user.
My name is Michael Adam. I am an R&D engineer at 4DViews and I've been there for like 12 years now. The workshop is about presenting all of our post-production tools that we build in 4DViews, like 4DFX and the plugins for Unity, Unreal, and all the workflow to learn how to use the volumetric video in your favorite software.
My name is Pauline Fass and I am a volumetric technician at 4DViews. The workshop was about volumetric capture, how to edit volumetric data and how to make a good workflow while capturing volumetric data. And it was a really good thing to have students follow this workshop to understand more our system.
4DViews만의 어떤 솔루션과 그 워크플로우 그리고 강력한 기능들의 이런 부분 너무 친절하게 이제 유니티와 얼리얼의 어떤 제작 사례까지도 이제 보여주시면서 설명 주셔가지고 너무나 이제 실무적으로나 이제 어떤 아직 경험해 보지는 못했지만 나중에 이제 4DView를 활용해서 이제 콘텐츠를 만들 어떤 가능성과 생각 부분에 많은 기대감이 지금 부풀어 있는 것 같습니다.